Imagine walking through a futuristic city where technology and daily life intricately intertwine, painting a picture of a landscape both awe-inspiring and chilling. Here, every corner presents a new marvel and a new worry, as the boundaries of privacy blur under a watchful eye. In this city, trash cans equipped with artificial intelligence assess your carbon footprint, offering unsolicited advice on how to go green. The mundane act of tossing out waste becomes a lesson in eco-consciousness, reminding you that every piece of refuse contributes to a larger narrative of sustainability and surveillance. In this world, streetlights serve an unexpected purpose, evolving from simple illuminators to sophisticated communication devices that even read your dating app messages at night. This technological advancement connects strangers, but at what cost? The sense of intimacy and privacy evaporates like morning dew under the harsh glow of these intelligent fixtures. Beneath the neon glimmer, life unfolds with newfound complexities as residents navigate love and connections. Under the scrutiny of lights that know too much, survival in this society means grappling with its absurdities and contradictions. Enter the peculiar bathroom experience where toilets analyze your diet, prescribing changes based on the data gleaned from your bodily functions. And as you navigate this bizarre environment, a vibrant cultural counterattack emerges led by the grandmothers, whose rhythmic dances and traditional moves reclaim public spaces. Their art becomes a form of resistance, captivating young people and drawing attention away from the looming digital walls. At a critical juncture, inhabitants face a twisted choice presented by the city's architects: the blue order, promising security and order, or the red chaos, tempting with thrill and rebellion. This moral dichotomy challenges residents to consider their futures amid escalating control versus delightful unpredictability. In the city where reality resembles dystopian fiction, the line blurs gently, creating an unsettling curiosity. Would you dare to call this place home? The interactive experience culminates in an electrifying poll, prompting a public reckoning through a shocking screenshot, merging playful engagement with alarming realities. As the avatars of this digital age dissect choices in real time, the shadowy specter of discontent styles itself into a brave, unconventional movement. Faced with the illusion of choice and creeping omnipresence, every resident must ultimately confront a question underlying their existence. In this life, tinged with technological innovation, how much of their humanity are they willing to sacrifice? This city of the future stands as a testament to bold advancements yet shrouded in disquieting undertones. Each unsettling innovation raises important questions, pushing society to reconsider its values amidst a backdrop of rapid technological evolution. Would you thrive in this meticulously controlled yet eerily fascinating urban jungle? Or would the weight of constant surveillance and the erasure of personal liberties outweigh the allure of living at the edge of tomorrow?